5. We have done the ones. We did inside, outside. Yes, inside, outside. Then we did on, under. And we did top and bottom. Now today we are going to do in front of, behind. Yesterday we also did above and below, children. Wali is straight. Shivansh, I am there. Shivansh, listen to me. I am in the meeting with 2 devices. I am in the meeting with 2 devices. You can see me on the screen. So, page number 5. Today we are going to do in front of and behind. Now, in front of. Again, you have your 2 little friends, Krish and Kinney. They are going to help you to learn the concept of in front of and behind. Right? Look at the picture there. Krish is in front of the tree. Krish is in front of the tree. Aradhya, who is Krish? Monkey or the bear? Aradhya, you have to be quick, child.
Yes, ma'am.
There are 2 animals given over there, Krish and Kinney. बेटे आप पहली चीज तो मम्मी की तरफ देखना बंद करिए, अपनी बुक में देखिए. सब कुछ बुक में है. बुक की तरफ देखिए. There are 2 little friends of yours, Krish and Kinney. Krish is in front of the tree. जो green और red color का है, that is Krish. Which animal is that? Tell me. Astha, which animal is that? Yes, Pranjali. That is a bear. Astha, that is a bear.
No, Aradhya.
Aradhya, sorry, that's a bear. All right. Aradhya, you have to answer, child, okay? That is a bear. What is that?
Bear.
Bear. आपको बोलना है बेटे, बोलना सीखना है, क्लास में आंसर करना सीखना है. ओके? जब आप कोशिश करेंगे तभी सीखेंगे. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's better. And don't keep looking at mummy all the time. Concentrate and look in the book. जब आप ध्यान देके बुक में देखेंगे, सुनेंगे, समझेंगे, तो बार बार मम्मी को आपको हेल्प करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Now, Pranjali, who is the little monkey? What is the little monkey's name over there?
Kinney.
Kinney. Yes, the monkey's name is Kinney. So Krish is in front of the tree and Kinney is behind the tree. So in front of means आगे and behind means पीछे. Behind means पीछे. So, if you remember when you were going to school in nursery class, children, नर्सरी क्लास में जब मैम आपको पढ़ाती थी, मैम बोर्ड भी रहता था, मैम भी रहती थी, टेबल्स भी, बेंचेस, सब कुछ था क्लास में. मैम यूज्ड टू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बोर्ड एंड द बोर्ड यूज्ड टू बी बिहाइंड द टीचर. मैम ऐसे आगे खड़े होकर आपको पढ़ाती थी और पीछे बोर्ड होता था. फिर मैम घूम के बोर्ड पर लिखती थी जब मैम को कुछ बताना होता है आपको. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. Can you hear me? नर्सरी में तो आप स्कूल गए थे ना, आपने कॉन्सर्ट में भी पार्टिसिपेट करा था. यू रिमेम्बर? Some of you participated in the concert also, and you remember your nursery class. You have seen the board, you have seen your classroom. Yes? Give me a thumbs up, nod your head. Okay, so you know what is in front of and what is behind. In front of means आगे and behind means पीछे. Now all of you put your hand like this. Like this. And the other hand you put it here. उसके पीछे रखिए दूसरा हाथ. This is in front of, आगे जो है, और जो पीछे है that is behind. All right. जैसे लाइन में जब आप स्कूल में लाइन बनाते थे ना, मैम लाइन बना के चिल्ड्रंस पार्क लेकर जाती थी, तो आपको लाइन में खड़ा करती थी एंड यू वर स्टैंडिंग. कोई बच्चा इन फ्रंट होता था, कोई बच्चा बिहाइंड होता था. लाइन में वन आफ्टर अनदर, वन चाइल्ड यूज्ड टू बी हियर, उसके पीछे दूसरा रहता था. यस, in front of. Now see, the pen is in front of the pencil. I have a pen in my hand and I have a pencil. Okay, another example. There's a paper here. In my hand you can see there's a paper and there's a pen. So the pen is in front of the paper and the paper is behind the pen. Behind means पीछे. पेपर जो है पेन के पीछे है और पेन पेपर के आगे है. So that is in front of and behind. Now look at the pictures given over there. यहाँ पर कुछ pictures हैं. You have to tick the one who is behind and cross the one who is in front of. All of you look at the first picture very carefully. There is a bee and there's a boy who's running behind the bee with a net. He is going to trap the bee. वो बी को पकड़ने के लिए नेट लेके दौड़ रहा है पिक्चर में. कैन यू सी द पिक्चर? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. ऑल राइट. नाउ आरव, यू टेल मी हु इज बिहाइंड. बिहाइंड मीन्स पीछे कौन है? बी है या फिर बॉय है?
मैम बॉय.
Boy, very good. So you put a tick on the square.
बॉय.
निपुण गिरी, आपको मैम ने पूछा हम एक एक बच्चे से पूछते हैं. दैट चाइल्ड इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फॉर द होल क्लास. एक बच्चा जो आंसर करेगा, जिससे मैम एक एक करके सबको टर्न दे रही है. Please maintain discipline in the class. So put a tick on the boy, that square that is there, children. Put a tick over there. Put a tick. Sakina, now you tell me. Sakina, can you hear me? We will put the cross. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में क्रॉस हमें लगाना है जो इन फ्रंट ऑफ है. तो इन फ्रंट ऑफ में कौन है? सकीना. बॉय इज बिहाइंड, तो फ्रंट में कौन है? बी. That's right. So put a cross over there. All of you put a cross in that square. All right. Vali, look at the next picture. Yes, Anaya? Pranjali, Anaya, are you saying something? Inaya, I cannot hear you, child. The boy is behind and the bee is in front of. So the boy is behind the bee. Now look at the picture where the dog and the boy is. Look at the second picture, the dog and the boy. Yes, Inaya? Who is behind? Can you tell me, Inaya, who is behind? The dog or the boy? Boy. All right. So put a tick over there. And who is in front of the boy, Pranjali? Who is in front of the boy, Pranjali? In front of means आगे. Boy के आगे कौन है, Pranjali? Yes, Pranjali, hurry up. Okay, Vijwal. Yes, Vijwal. Who is in front of the boy?
The boy is in. The dog is in front of the boy. The boy is behind the dog.
Sorry. Very good. The dog is in front of the boy and the boy is behind the dog. So put your cross on the dog and a tick on the boy. Ronik, the next picture. Ronik, the next picture. Tell me both the answers, behind and in front of. Who is behind? Yes, Ronik. पहले आप पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. आगे क्या है, बॉल है या बॉय है? आगे क्या है रोनिक, बॉल या बॉय? बॉल. सो आगे मतलब इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ. आगे मतलब इन फ्रंट ऑफ. सो यू विल पुट अ क्रॉस देयर. बॉल के पास क्रॉस लगाइए ऑल ऑफ यू. हसन, डू योर वर्क. Put a cross near the ball. And who is behind, Ronik? The boy, the child. Okay. So put a tick over there. Okay, Nipun, the next one. Nipun, the next picture. You have the hen. You have the hen, mother hen and the chicks. Come on, tell me. आगे कौन है और पीछे कौन है? आगे means in front of, पीछे means behind. पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए.
फ्रंट और बॉय behind.
Which picture are you looking at? Look at the hen and the chicks. Look at the hen and the chicks. Nipun?
Man, baby chicks behind and big chick in front.
The hen is behind and the chicks are in front.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Put a cross near the chicks and put a tick near the hen. When you finish, when you finish,
मैंने कल ही कर लिया था.
when you finish, give me a thumbs up. All right, Manjeet, the next one. Manjeet, look at the picture, child. Manjeet Verma, can you hear me? Okay, Shubh. मंजीत कैमरा फुल टाइम ऑन रहना चाहिए बेटे, ऑफ मत करिएगा. आर यू रेडी टू आंसर मंजीत? Manjeet, are you ready to answer, child? Look at the picture. Shubh, just wait a second. Manjeet, look at the picture. You have the green board and you have a teacher standing there. I just gave you this example. Okay, Shubh. Shubh. Shubh Gautam, switch on your mic. Shubh Gautam, switch on your mic. अपना mic on करिए.
I have done.
Okay, now you look at the picture and tell me who is in front of and who is behind.
बताओ.
आगे क्या है पहले बताइए.
Boy.
The boy, the teacher. Okay. And who is behind or what is behind? Behind means पीछे. टीचर के पीछे क्या है?
Board.
Board. Very good. The board is there. So you will put a tick on the board, that square which is made there, that little dotted line, and cross in front. So the teacher is in front and the board is behind. Meher, the last picture. Meher, look at the last picture, child. Tell me.
Ma'am, grandpa.
Okay, he is behind.
The trolley.
He is behind the trolley. So the trolley is in front. When you move the trolley.
Of the grandpa.
Okay, the trolley is in front of the grandpa and the grandpa is behind, right? So put a tick on grandpa and cross on the trolley. Have you all finished? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. All of you have finished this page. Children, make sure you put the date. Please put today's date on that page. 8/4/2021. All of you pick up your pencil, put the date.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आपने मुझसे पूछा.
I'm telling you, ma'am is giving everybody a chance now. हाफ एन आवर क्लास है. मैम सबको कोशिश करती है चांस देने के लिए. और अगर आपकी चांस एक दिन नहीं आती है तो आपको सैड होने की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need to be sad, children, because I will give everybody a chance. Ma'am will give each child a chance. So you don't need to become sad, all right? Okay, now turn the page. Come to page number 6. Come to page number 6. Now the next concept is same, different. Now this is very easy. Sometimes you play games also, no? Some of you मोबाइल पे गेम्स खेलते हैं, उसमें आपको डिफरेंस ढूंढना होता है. कभी कभी आप किसी मैगजीन में भी कोई एक्सरसाइज होती है जिसमें आपको डिफरेंस ढूंढना होता है. So same means एक जैसा, different means अलग अलग. For example, when you were going to nursery class, you were all wearing the same kind of uniform. All the boys were wearing same kind of uniform, all the girls were wearing a same kind of uniform. But each one had different bags. All of you have different bags. सबके bags अलग अलग थे. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up.
Ma'am, ये page.
Page number 6, Pranjali. Page number 6. Look at the page number given at the bottom of the page. Top and bottom हमने पढ़ा था ना. Bottom means सबसे नीचे. वहां पर पेज नंबर दिया है, number 6. Got it, Pranjali? Give me a thumbs up quickly. Hardik, have you opened to page number 6? Everyone's open to page 6. Give me a thumbs up. All of you give me a thumbs up, children. Very good. Aradhya, have you opened? All right. Good. So same and different. Same means एक जैसा. Different means अलग अलग. I gave you an example. When you were in nursery class, all of you were wearing same uniforms, but all of you had different bags. सबके bags अलग अलग थे, लेकिन uniform सबकी same थी. Now look at the pictures given over here. You have some birds made over there. The first two, they are same. The first two, they are same. Both the birds are yellow in color. The second, they are different. One is yellow, one is green. One is yellow, one is green. Can you all see? Give me a thumbs up, children. I want to see your reaction. Okay. Now, in each row, circle the picture which is the same as the one on the left. Now, all of you show me your left hand. Show me your left hand. Left hand वो होता है जिससे आप लिखते नहीं है. बहुत से बच्चे लेफ्ट से लिखते हैं. जो लेफ्ट से लिखने वाले हैं वो लेफ्ट हैंड रेस करेंगे. बाकी सब लेफ्ट हैंड रेस करिए. Your left hand. Raise your left hand. Now see, on the left hand you have single picture. One picture. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक सिंगल पिक्चर है. Now you have to look at all the other pictures and circle the picture which is the same as the one on the left. First picture is a dog. The first picture is a dog. Now look at that dog very carefully. And after that, look at the other dogs. बाकी सारे dogs की pictures को देखिए और हमें आप बताएंगे कौन से नंबर का डॉग वो लेफ्ट वाले डॉग से मैच करता है. हसन से स्ट्रेट. हसन.
Man number 4.
All right, you don't have to answer like this, Anaya, but your answer is correct. Number 4. Circle number 4 dog. Put a circle on number 4. Put a circle on number 4. Can you see? Number 4. Doggy number 4. Circle that. Okay. Now the next one, we have the penguins. Look at the penguins.
Number 4.
Okay, again it is number 4. So circle the fourth number, penguin. You show me the numbers with your fingers. Don't keep your mics on and shout. Okay? You show me with your fingers. We just did the poem numbers. Now you can count and tell me with your fingers. Now look at the cat. The next one.
Ma'am, 2
Who said ma'am do number? Who said do number? I told you have to learn to speak in English and show me with your fingers. Number 2, the second one. So put a circle there. Put a circle. Put a circle on number 2 cat. Now, look at the last picture. Yes, Ria. The frog.
Ma'am, 4 numbers.
Number 4. Number 4.
Number 4.
All right, very good. Now come to the next page. Big and small. Big and small. This is also very simple. This is also very simple. Page number 7. Elephant is big, rat is small. Elephant is big, rat is small. और जब हम एक से ज्यादा चीजों को कंपेयर करते हैं, देन वी से कोई चीज बिग है, दूसरी चीज उससे भी बड़ी है, और जो थर्ड चीज है वो उससे भी बड़ी, देन वी से बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. Look at this. 3 different size of pencils I'm showing you. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? Again. Big, bigger, biggest. जब हम कुछ चीजों को कंपेयर करते हैं, एक से ज्यादा चीजों को कंपेयर करते हैं, then we say big, bigger, biggest, and then small, smaller, smallest. Okay, now look at the exercise given there. Tick the big and cross the small. Look at the tree. Put a tick on the big and put a cross on the small. Put a tick on the big tree and put a cross on the page number 7. हसन, आपको काम अपने आप करना है. मम्मी का हाथ मुझे पूरा टाइम दिख रहा है काम करते हुए. पेरेंट्स, आप लोग प्लीज ध्यान दीजिए. बच्चा कुछ सीख नहीं पाएगा अगर आप लगातार बच्चे को साथ में बैठ के काम करते रहेंगे, बच्चे को नहीं करने देंगे. Now is the time you can make your child independent. बच्चे को अपने आप करने दीजिए. जब तक वो सुनेगा नहीं, वो सीखेगा नहीं, करेगा नहीं. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, tree plant is small.
Very good. The tree is big and the plant is small. So put a tick on tree and a cross on plant. Omansh.
I have done.
Yes, Omansh, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Small
sure.
is bigger.
Yes, Omansh. The football,
Flag ball
yes.
is smaller.
The football is big and the cricket ball or the small ball is smaller. Okay, so you put a tick on the football. फुटबॉल बड़ी है और ग्रीन वाली बॉल स्मॉल है. नाउ बिगर एंड स्मॉलर आई टोल्ड यू, जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं, जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं दो चीजों को या दो से ज्यादा चीजों को, तब हम बोलते हैं बिगर एंड स्मॉलर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी दैट बेयर इज देयर अगेन. His name is Krish. He is bigger and the little bird is smaller. The bird is smaller. The bear is bigger than the bird. Bear जो है bird से बड़ा है. Bigger. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. Can you hear me? All right, very good. Okay, Hayat, now you tell me.
Ma'am, I have done.
Which is bigger, watermelon or strawberry? Hayat?
Watermelon.
Watermelon is bigger. शुभ, आप अपनी टर्न पे आंसर करा करिए. Put a tick on watermelon, children, and a cross on strawberry. Shivansh, the next one. Ship is bigger or the boat? The ship.
Boat cross the. Tick the ship cross the boat.
Very good. Tick the ship and cross the boat. The ship is bigger and the boat is smaller. That's right. Very good, children. All right. Now with that, we come to the end of your maths class. Make sure those who have not done, you will complete these pages. Till page number 7, we have finished. So you're going to complete these pages. Right. Now you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period. Aradha, can you tell me what do you have in the next period?
Ma'am, sign. Social science.
Social studies. Okay, we have social studies in the next period. So please be ready with your social studies book. We'll meet again in the next period. Thank you.